Hello Hacktubers, and welcome back to my latest DIY project. And in this DIY project I will use this $1 car FM MP3 Bluetooth module that I got for $1 from AliExpress. The link will be in description below. And I 3D printed beautiful white case for the module, and also I will place the switch, the audio input, the DC jack, everything. So this car FM MP3 Bluetooth module will be completed. Let's start. As I told you, I 3D print an enclosure or case for this car FM player module, and you can download also if you want to make for you. Just visit the description below and download it. Just letting you know, there are two connectors on the module. This one with red and black wire is for powering, 12 volts DC voltage, and this connector with 4 wires is the red one. The first wire is the red one, and that is the antenna, and the rest 3 of them are ground, left and right output. This module do not have a built-in amplifier, so you need to add an amplifier or connect this module to the amplifier. I'm making this box without amplifier so I can hook up to my old retro boom boxes. Alright, these go here. I'm gonna fix it like this. The two connectors that are coming from the module, the power and the audio output plus the antenna, are connected on the audio output connector RCA. The DC voltage input connector from here go to the switch, and from the switch is powering the module. Now we're gonna connect like this, the power. This is the audio output plus the antenna. Okay, the antenna will go into this hole. Okay, and everything will be fitted inside like this. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna tie it with 2 screws. And this will be the first project where I'm gonna use the wireless electric screwdriver. Just to choose the bit, probably will be this one. Okay, 38 bits. I have a full video review for this amazing tool. Good. All right, good. Another. He's doing a great job. Much easier when you are using an electric screwdriver. And it's finished. The case for the FM MP3, for car FM MP3 Bluetooth module player, and it's great with audio output, DC input jack, the main power switch. It have holder so you can tie it on some place. And let's try it now. I will use my homemade wooden power bank with light. This is a cool project. Also shows the battery voltmeter, and I have 12 volts output. Okay, nice. And I'm gonna turn on in 3, 2, 1. Yes! Cool! With this switch for safety. Now I'm gonna connect to the retro boombox. Alright, GVC.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. It's working fine. I'm gonna add some MP3 music.
USB driver mode.
USB driver mode. I like it. And it's working fine. Alright. Take a look at the enclosure. It's so cute. And now it's the finished project. And I like it very much. And you can put this in your car. You can use for your retro boombox like I did it. And it's great. Look, with the main switch turning on.
USB driver mode.
USB driver mode. That was all for today. DIY project using this $1 car FM MP3 Bluetooth player module from AliExpress. $1. See ya! Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!